Hi, it's Eva here from Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200 R Dynamic HSE. This wonderful Discovery features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is finished here today in the absolutely wonderful silicon silver. Let's begin our journey at the front of this Discovery as we see the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, giving increased road presence and a sharper view of the world ahead. As we cascade down the side of this Discovery, the elegance is continued as it sits on these 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with a gloss dark grey contrast. Coming to the rear, you'll see the rear privacy glass, ensuring contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Upon opening the powered tailgate, we'll reveal a versatile amount of boot space, and as we look to our left, you will see easy-to-access controls for our electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure will intrigue those caravan and equestrian enthusiasts out there. Venturing to the rear of this Discovery, you'll see your manual slide and recline second row seats in the absolutely wonderful ebony Windsor leather, along with your Mars red stitching. A quick glimpse into the cockpit will show you your 14-way heated electric front seats, along with driver memory will be sure to keep you comfortable on any length of journey. Taking a closer look at the view that greets the driver, you'll see your leather multifunctional steering wheel, which features a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal. Looking in front of you, you'll find your digital display, which can be tailored to the driver's individual preference, and you can access information such as your media controls, trip computer and sat-nav. As we have now moved over to your large and rather beautiful integrated touchscreen infotainment system, which is a real centrepiece to this Discovery's interior. As you can see, it is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your rear camera and parking sensors, which will ensure parking this large SUV is like second nature. You'll also be able to access your heated seat functions alongside your climate control, which will show optimal comfort for drivers and passengers at any time. Further features can also be accessed as we look down. Passenger and driver can further access their own climate control systems, as well as further driving dynamics, which can be figured to each terrain settings. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your easy-to-access controls for your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will be sure to engross both passenger and vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.